Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Want to give your Wix website a more engaging first impression? Adding a welcome screen is a great way to do it. Here's how. First of all, go to your Wix dashboard, select your site and open the mobile editor. On the left side, click on Mobile Tools, then look for the welcome screen option. Click the Add to Site icon next to welcome screen, and just like that it's added. Now make it your own. Customize the text, colors, backgrounds and buttons to match your brand and style. Once you are happy with the design, hit publish and your visitors will now see a stunning welcome screen when they land on your site. And that's it. Quick and easy. If this helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Wix tips. Thanks for watching.